This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection so you know hardware isn't the issue. Once connected, set device volume at about 50% to get a reliable baseline and disable Do Not Disturb because it can mute alerts. Make sure the correct audio output is selected in Bluetooth or Control Center. Don't assume automatic switching. If one bud seems quieter, swap ears to check whether fit or earwax is the cause. Now move to software adjustments and settings calibration. Once done with basics, update firmware and your device OS so you get volume fixes and performance improvements. Then inspect app-level volume controls and any equalizer presets. Some EQ boosts can limit perceived loudness, so try turning EQ off. Make sure there's no volume limiter enabled in settings or parental controls. Check audio balance under accessibility to ensure left-right levels are centered. If uneven or still low, perform a factory reset of the Airpods to clear lingering firmware glitches. Finish by physically inspecting and cleaning the speaker meshes. Debris can cut volume significantly, so use a soft brush and avoid liquids. Test playback across different apps and another device to determine whether the issue is localized to one app or to your primary device. If low volume persists after cleaning, resets, updates, and cross-device tests, contact manufacturer support or arrange a service appointment. Battery or hardware faults can reduce output. One key troubleshooting tip: try a complete reset and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.